look on big news so far.
India recorded 46,670 new cases of the total novel coronavirus along with 853 deaths due to the infection in the past 24 hours. According to the data shared by the Union Health Minister on Friday, the country saw a total 59,384 discharges in the last 24 hours. The total active cases of COVID-19 in India has now mounted to 5 lakhs and 9,637. The data showed the total death toll in the country is more than 4 lakhs. India can Friday become the third country after the US and Brazil to cross 4 lakh deaths due to the COVID pandemic. A drone was sighted near the international border in Arnia sector of Jammu Kashmir. On Friday morning, this is the fifth time when such an activity has been reported in Jammu. The unnamed aerial vehicle has been found around 5:20 a.m. near the fence. The border security forces personnel fired at the drone. The drone didn't cross the border and remained to the Pakistan side of the international border. Delhi on Thursday sizzled under the hot wave condition with the maximum temperature settling at 43 degrees Celsius. According to the Indian Meteorological Department, heat wave condition will persist in the national capital today with the maximum temperature hovering around 41 degrees Celsius. Thursday maximum temperature was highest in July in the national capital in the last 19 years. Earlier on July 1st, 1931, the city's maximum temperature settled at 45 degrees Celsius. The previous high was recorded on July 2, 2012 when the temperature soared at 43.5 degrees Celsius. BSP Supremo Mayawati has called Samajwadi Party National President Akhilesh Yadav as selfish in a series of tweets shared on Friday morning. Mayawati said that Akhilesh Yadav has no option but to go with the small parties in upcoming assembly election in the state. Mayawati said that the SP's decision reflects its helplessness as major parties have been avoiding it due to the bitter experience. In view of bitter experiences, Samajwadi Party due to this very selfish, narrow and especially anti-Dalit thinking and working style are prominent and the major parties avoided Sapa. This is well known. That is why the upcoming Uttar Pradesh assembly election, this party will not fight with any major party but only with the help of alliance with a smaller party. If saying this is not the helplessness of Sapa, then what is it? She asked. Akhilesh Yadav had on Thursday ruled out any alliances with major party in 2022 assembly polls and has openly said his party will go with smaller parties. Indian off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin admitted that it wasn't easy for the New Zealand celebrate the World Test Championship title as sound like a war crime. Ashwin, who recalled India's 8-wicket bid in Marquee Class last month, highlighted the most side of the having a room match venue and said that the Kiwis didn't stop celebrating the win until midnight in the rain-marred test as umpire ball. New Zealand went to defeat India by 8 wickets to the clinch and the mace and end of the long drought of ICC silver wave. Chasing a modest 139-run target on the reserve day, the sun smiled down in the Kane Williamson as he and Ross Taylor stirred New Zealand past the finish line with quite a few overs of spare. After the match, New Zealand have this custom of celebrating with a trophy and a few drinks in the dressing room. It was tough to see.
That's all for today. For further updates, stay tuned with News 19.